Keep circling, man. It'll open.
None of them.
No.
Yeah. Put it out there, man.
Whoa!
All right, guys, big day today on the channel. There's a lot going on. In this video, you're gonna see the bed being built. You're gonna see how we build it. Everything from the design, to the bending, to the welding, all that happens. The lift's gonna be installed as well. We're also going to see the paint color of the truck. I actually just went over and saw it. It's awesome. So that's happening. So there's a lot going on in this video. You guys leave a comment. Let us know what you like about the video, what you want to see more of, and we'll get to it.
It's time to get rolling on Diesel Power Gear 100. The 100th giveaway we've ever done. The replica of my favorite truck, US 12 valve. Right here, there's your canvas. Right there, there's your artist. He's running away. We're gonna pick the best paint match for the US 12 valve, and Camino is gonna paint that blank canvas, and it's gonna turn out the most perfect you've ever seen. I'll show you a couple of these samples here in a minute. Party time. All right. Now we got the Diesel Power Gear 100th giveaway in the paint booth with the master himself, Camino. So this is your blank canvas. You have those colors?
Yeah.
You have the swatch? Let's go get it. Let me show you what it looks like. Come on, come into Camino's lair.
Either the one.
This is one. Let's go take a look at it. Come on, out to the truck. You and me. You and me. So, full truck. Like that.
Wait,
Are we talking shiny or no shiny? Satin, matte?
it's up to you guys.
Probably satin. Which one do you
What's
like?
the original one?
This is original.
Okay.
Original?
The
It gets a little darker.
Picked it out?
No, no chongos. No chongos involved.
Oh, I can't remember.
I'll probably go ask him right now. I'll take the swatch out there and ask him. Oh,
No.
none of the above?
None of the above.
You want less metal?
Or no metal.
Okay.
It needs to be just the satin army paint.
Satin army paint.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have our answer. Flat army green. All right, Camino. None of them. At least we're on the right path now. Army green versus still too shiny. Try to pull a fast one on Heavy D and get some shiny in there. He wasn't having it. I think that's probably perfect. Let's hold it up next to this. We'll ask Dave again. Turns out he had a can of it the whole time.
That's it.
Same exact stuff? Same
Just
color?
satin finish stuff.
Money, this color, satin finish. That's how it's gonna go down. Camino, we have this, but with the satin finish.
Yes, that color.
Satin. This
No.
color, satin finish.
I know I can.
That's the same color he painted the Sisunatsu. Perfect.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
great.
great color, yeah.
All right, you, Camino, the artist.
I'll
that
see you
worked.
guys.
All right, hey, and while Camino does this, it makes it look beautiful. We've got Iram designing bumpers, grills, working on the bed with the stacks. We've already ordered the lift, the wheels, the tires, and once it comes out of paint, we'll be ready to party. Bada bing, bada boom, you'll see the 100th giveaway looking awesome. Stay tuned. All right,
So you guys aren't just like throwing a flatbed on there and, you know, some stickers and calling it good?
No, sir. This is custom made.
Custom.
Custom?
Custom.
Custom.
Custom. Guess what part that is?
Custom.
It's custom. It's a custom part?
Yeah.
It's for the top of the
Stuff like
headache
that.
rack, the white, you know. It'll always look awesome when it's done. And if it's not awesome, it's not done. That's what I say. What's that part?
Hair jack?
Everything's for the headache rack. texted me, said Camino's ready to paint.
I'll be the judge of that, okay? I spent a fair share of my days in the paint booth. They wouldn't let me paint, but they'd let me prep.
Me too.
Prepping, worst part about painting, way too much prepping for way too little of actually spraying. Like,
Hold on, I can't get through here.
it's a tight fit. I notice I walk through normal, but anyways. You would prep for days and paint for minutes. You have to have so much patience to paint, and I can't do it. Hey, Camino! Go ahead and look over here. Nice straight lines, just taped off real well. The hard part about doing a full colors change, jams, door jams, that takes the paint job from being fairly quick and easy to extremely difficult, because they're just like this, having up all the doors off, literally all the guts out of the doors, the mirrors, paint all that. So that sucks. Sucks to be Camino. And you have to worry about the back of the cab.
You don't know who sanded all this shit, do you?
You?
Yeah,
Really?
everything.
I give it a C-.
Damn it.
Good the color? The mad scientist one time taught me the proper way to stir is like this.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Back and forth?
Back and forth, not in circles,
Everywhere. They gotta go around.
but a lot of this. A lot of this motion. Hey, what would it take for me to be able to do a sample coat on the top of your head?
No.
Why?
No.
One sample.
No, that's not good, man.
Why is it not good?
I got hair right now, bro.
That means nothing. It's like a wax. Just one sample. Hey,
What?
let me tape off a section of your head.
Okay.
This is nice. Why is it so wrinkly? Like a...
Sharpay.
You have a paintbrush?
Yeah.
This will work.
You know.
Oh yeah, that one's perfect.
Yeah, you don't want to get dust in there.
Okay, man.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
I think
Looks like Caleb's haircut.
I think you put it in my head, not on the tape.
Of course I put it on your head.
Not in the tape.
Not on the tape. Oh, it's on your head. Let me just take this off. Let's check it. Let's see. It's perfect. Perfect.
God.
I think you put it on my head, not the tape. Of course I did. Hey, let it dry. We'll know later. Why?
No.
Come
Oh,
on,
you got it all.
ruined it.
You got it all. It's okay.
No,
ruined
that's
it.
not right, man.
You want me to leave now?
Sure, man. Okay. Let me wait, bro.
All right, Camino, we'll leave you alone.
All right, man. See you guys.
The next day.
Did you match the truck on purpose?
Yes, 100%. Thought about it on my way out the door, and I said, I want to match like the most beautiful thing in my shop. I'm still number 2. That's okay.
That's like, dude, you didn't match me at all. Dude, you know everything about lifts and stuff? You know the anatomy of a lift?
Here, you see these holes he's drilled out, and putting a sleeve in so that he can actually run a bolt through to hold. This bracket will go on.
You just know all this stuff? Dude, I had to learn it from my sensei.
Part of me knows. Like so.
Oh,
Fits right up there.
Yeah, it does actually.
And adds that extra bracket. So now you see that Doug drilled his holes right. It's a good sign.
Well, it fits perfect.
Not like I ever doubted you. Where my right hand is, your upper control arm will go there. And these are your old ones. This is your new one.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Exactly. I couldn't have said it better myself. And boom. That'll kick your front end down 6 inches. And you have your 6-inch lift. Think about rears are really easy.
Yeah, we
So
got.
if you're ever in a race, if you got 2 people, and you're like, let's put this lift kit on, let's see who can do their part faster, choose to do the back.
That's
Because
why
the back
Doug
is
chose
big.
to do the back yesterday.
Yeah, you take the leaf springs off, you put the new leaf spring pack in, it's got new U-bolts connected. Looks like it came with a new shop. How you guys like the paint color? How'd it turn out?
I think it turned out perfect.
I also agree with you. I was wondering what they thought.
What are we on to do?
Oh, we can go check out the bed if you're wrong.
Oh, well, we checked out the lift. So now you see the masterpiece. The beautiful sand job, beautiful green paint, all done by our friend Cole and a little help from Camino. The lift kit that Doug, the sensei, is currently working on. Well, guess what? You see that area right there behind the cab? There's a special surprise coming up. This is the puzzle we're putting together. As you see, you got your diamond plate right here for the flatbed. You got your side pieces that weld down. Basically, if you were to lift this up and have all those pieces fall down, except for the front piece, that's gonna come up. That's what your bed's gonna look like.
Yeah, these are the tail lights. Oh, they're not welded together.
Yeah, I wasn't ready. Come on. This obviously folds up like this. That folds this way. That way you can set a tank in the middle, cut it in half, and have your ice bath on your bed, right? No, those fold down. That's your wheel well.
All right.
Which one?
You're
A
right.
or B?
You're right.
You let them choose. A or B.
You got your storage boxes that are cut out right here.
Okay.
Fuel and tie down. And then the structural part of your headache rack. Your two stacks will come up through here. Yep. Your main exhaust will go through there.
I'm really excited for that bed. That is going to be one of the sickest custom flatbeds we've ever done and probably the world has ever seen. See here? This is a master at work. Shield your eyes. So you've got the spark motors cut out right here that goes into your headache rack. This is the base. Now we'll go on top of that plate I was just lifting up. We have that design like an elongated honeycomb. Probably has its own name. It tips up. The exhaust sacks go in front of it. Boom. Headache rack done.
They're mounting the headache rack and they don't need my help.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Ooh, dude.
Mucho better.
Check it out. If you can't see all this work going on behind us on this bed, I am here. Even got Dougie back here. I think Pedro's back there. They're welding non-stop, putting this bed together. It's all coming together. The headache rack's on it, the sides on it. They're putting the fenders on it right now. Welding, grinding, everything. This is absolutely amazing to see it go from where it was on the ground yesterday to this right here. This bed is incredible, guys. You need it for yourself.
You don't need to set it on there.
You're gonna sit over top of it. I'm gonna light and you'll sit over top of it. Hey, I could sit around and watch those guys in there weld stuff and grind on stuff, or I could just
Do more productive things like this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hurry, man, sit on it. Don't knock them down. Come on, look cool, look cool, look cool. Yeah.
It's pretty freaking cool!
Yeah, put it out there. Whoa! No, I think our test was complete. I think that's all we really needed to do is just do a test.
Cheers. Where you're like, whoa, man.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Looking just like the US 12 valve from way back in the day. I think that was 2014.
It looks
2015.
remarkably like it. It being like the newer body style, it looks just like that older truck.
The only difference is I think we bed lined that, or like used Raptor liner, and this is real paint. Camino did. Obviously, you guys were there when Hans painted his head.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is just about finished. All we got is for the wheels and tires to come.
Wheels just showed up. They're at the front door, but yeah.
You tell me the wheels have been here the whole time?
Well, the last 15 minutes, yeah.
Let's go! Come on! That's like the final step.
Well, we're down to the...
No, the wire's passed.
Yeah, that's what I was
We're not
going to
down to
say.
the wire.
I was going to say we're down to the wire, but then we should have been done a week ago.
The wheels have been here the whole time. You weren't kidding.
Yeah, they just dropped them off.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Christmas presents.
Finally here.
Yes. Yes. Wheels, wheels, wheels. Black
Black
Rhino.
Rhino.
Black Rhino. You guys are awesome. Okay, come on. Come on, look awesome. Be awesome.
They really make it hard to get to these.
Yeah. It's like Christmas. Technical difficulties, hold on. Oh man. Here's the dilemma. We ordered the wheels we wanted. We obviously ordered the wrong color of wheels because that color is not going to match well with the truck that we have going. So while we wait for the tires to come, we have to go sandblast these wheels, powder coat them black to match the truck, mount the wheels and tires together, get the bed put on the truck, and start and finish this giveaway almost in the same day because we're running out of time in order to give this truck away. You want to win it, you got to go to decentpowergear.com. Hopefully it's finished by the time you get there.
Yeah.
See ya.